Hey Smiles, welcome back to my channel and I'm so glad to welcome you in my mini home office. Ayan, so from now on, dito na ako mag-film ng mga videos natin. Kung napanood nyo na yung previous video ko, nasabi ko doon na gusto kong magkaroon ng makeover dito sa room ko. And as you can see, mayroon naman na tayong improvement, which is itong ating wallpaper sa likod and mga home decor na may touch of gold and also pink, like what I've said. Yung theme natin is vintage pink na may touch of course, blush, pink, and gold tones. So, in today's video naman, ang topic natin is about my new L-type corner table. Ayan. Para makita ninyo. So, it is an L-type table kasi gusto ko na rin i-maximize yung space dito sa room. Andito kasi yung stairs. So, para ma-maximize, ginawan ko talaga ng paraan na magkaroon ako ng L-type table para meron akong working area and meron na rin akong small vanity kung saan pwede ako mag-prepare, mag-makeup, mag-ayos. Yun, bakit nga ba kami nag-decide na i-DIY na lang? Kasi of course, pag DIY talaga, mas mura compared dun sa design na nakita ko sa Lazada and sa Shopee, which is nasa 4,000 to 5,000 pesos. Para sa akin, hindi siya wise na bilhin agad-agad ng ganun. Tapos, hindi ko rin kasi alam kung mag-fit yung sukat niya dito sa room. Kasi nga, dahil small space lang to, mas maganda i-customize na lang. Lalo na kung meron naman kayong kasama sa bahay na marunong sa mga paggawa ng furnitures. Ito pa sa akin yung resibo para hindi ko makalimutan and exactly naman yung price na nasabi ko sa inyo. So, yung plywood na yun, actually, it's marine plywood. 3/4 yung parang kapal niya. And yung kanyang sukat is 4 by 8 feet. So, hindi naman tayo ewan ko lang, pero sa hardware namin kasi buo yun. So, hindi nakakakuha ng kalahati. Pero sa project na to kasi, almost half lang ng isang plyboard sheet yung aming nagamit. Meron ng table. So, may mapagagamitan pa yung kalahati actually. By the way, yung marine plyboard pala cost 1,120. Actually, price varies depende sa hardware. Stickwell sachet o kaya naman ito yung wood glue na tinatawag nila. Isa lang naman yung binili namin, which is 65 pesos. Bumili rin kami ng liha na 20 pesos ang isa. Tapos, pako na rin. Of course, kailangan ng pako. Bumili kayo ng 1 inch and 2 inch na nail. Tapos, lastly is yung half moon na 8 feet. Ang half moon ay 68 pesos. Then, yung nail naman or yung pako is nasa 25 pesos lang per 1/4. With all that materials, nasa lang nagastos ko dito kasi bumili rin ako ng isa pang plywood, yung manipis lang para dito sa border niya. Kaya meron akong additional na 325 pesos. So, all in all, yung nagastos ko is 1,716 pesos. O, diba? Siyempre, konting kung kailangan ng labor, diba? Magkano ba yung labor ng kakilala ninyo? So, itanong nyo na rin para add-ons na doon. But definitely, almost half the price yung inyong magagastos. And oo nga pala, pwede nyo rin palang idagdag yung paint. Kung gusto niyo ng magandang pintura, white sana yung gusto ko para dito. Kaya lang, meron din kasi pala kaming mga konting natira na mga tawag dito, varnish. So yun, ang maganda kasi pag wood naman, magandang gamitan ng varnish. Ang brand na yun is Centro. Maple yung kanyang ginamit. maple yung ginamit namin. So, yun. And that would only cost 35 to 50 pesos lang naman. So, bili kayo ng at least, siguro yung nagamit ko dito parang mga isa at kalahati hanggang dalawa. So, depende kasi yun kung hanggang gaano kakapal or hanggang anong coat yung gusto nyo. Sa akin, parang nakatatlong coat ako. So, yun, nag-recoating kasi kami nung naipasok na to kasi natuluan siya ng essential oil. Ipapakita ko sa inyo up next yung kung paano yung sukat nito and also yung actual na paggawa namin together with my papa. Yes, together with my father. So, si papa talaga yung marunong gumawa. Actually, gusto ko na nga matuto maglagari, magmartilyo, ganyan. Para pag natutunan mo kasi, pwedeng ikaw na gumawa sa susunod. Kailangan ng force. So, wala pa akong ganong klaseng skills. So, pinaubaya ko po muna sa kanya mga kaibigan. Kaya, sa video na to, siya din yung makikita nyo mamaya. Without further ado, let's start na with our video.
Hey guys, here I'm going to show you how we measure our L-type corner table. So, assuming that this is the plyboard, it's 4 by 8 feet, marine type plyboard na mabibili nyo sa inyong mga hardware. For the length, hindi na namin pinutol ito, so parang 4 feet pa rin, as is siya, 123 in centimeters. 91 centimeters naman below, and for both ends, I have 48 centimeters. We also have 71 centimeters para dun sa to create the L type. Tapos ito naman ay 45 centimeters na. So parang additional ano lang siya, no, space. Ganun yung parang design niya talaga. Now we're going to create the legs. It is 96 centimeters. Ang height naman niya is 65 centimeters. So, para maging dalawa ito, pwede nyo tong hatiin sa gitna. O kaya naman, like what we did, we're going to create a circle and then divide it into 2 para maging 48 centimeters din siya on both legs. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo din na medyo may curve yung table nyo para hindi naman L lang siya, so, ginawa namin is kinat namin siya ng may curve line dyan. Later on, sa actual video, makikita nyo kung paano namin yan ginawa at ano yung kinalabasan. Then, ito naman is yung mga border namin para sa ilalim. So, optional din naman yan, pero maganda na meron yan para connecting siya sa ilalim for the legs. Kung mapapansin niyo, kalahati lang ng plyboard yung nagamit natin. So, marami pa tayong pwedeng paggamitan ng isang kalahati, which is better, diba? Ngayon, pag kinat natin yan, ganito na yung magiging itsura niya. Ganyan na yung magiging legs nung table natin. And, for the end product, ito na yung magiging style and design nung ating L-type corner table.
Measure according to your preferred design and cut the platform of your table. Now make the legs of your table. Stick the legs to the platform using wood glue. And use brush to spread it even. Use pieces of nails as support while waiting for the glue to dry.
Make it as a back support of your table. That in place, you are now ready to attach them together to make it sturdy. The piece of wood will now be the backbone of your table. Again, use glue and nails to attach them. Then place it gently and make sure to have someone to assist. Now, with 2 to 3 inches distance from the sides, you can now nail them together with your hammer. After assembling the top and the legs, we're now ready to attach to the wood frame. The particular design is called half moon. In here, we're so careful because it might break, and we're figuring out how we're going to have the curve. And it broke, and as you can see, it's already in half. Now, what my dad is doing is a technique, guys, and make sure not to tell anyone. He's making it in place before attaching the second one. Now, here's the trick, guys. I'm not good at describing things, but here, Papa is cutting the wood frame till it reaches the middle and repeat as needed. And here we go again, hoping that it will work. Now, you want to purposely break it, and the cuts are supposed to help it bend.
Sabi ko na eh.
Yay! It worked! Finally! I'm so glad it worked. Then, finish the remaining sections.
By the way guys, we also added metal braces from the previous project as its support, but it's totally optional. And voila! To make it more prettier, add your favorite paint or varnish. After the first coating, let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes before adding the second coat. Take note that the second coating will make it shinier, so you don't want to skip that when you're using varnish. You guys, I'm so excited to show you this. It's so pretty and shiny. Look at the details. The wooden frame made it so extra. Remember the half moon that we braked earlier? Here is the bottom tour with the extra wood that I'd like to give you a closer look. This is the back, and it's still pretty if you'd like it to be the front of your table. Look at those shiny, shimmering, splendid. Now, look at those legs. Wow, so sexy. You know, I love the half moon effect, guys. I'm so glad at how it turned out. Wow, it's so pretty. It's amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to make one, of course, if you need it. Thank you so much, and always smile, bring sparkles to your life. Brownie, bakit? Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Sinong naiyak kanina? Sinong naiyak? Di makatulog. Kasi po, nirarayo mo siya. Masakit yung kanya mga paa. Brownie, okay ka na, Brownie? Brownie. Say hi. Hi to the video. Hey. Okay ka na ba? Hindi na siya umiiyak. Matulog ka na, Brownie. Good night.